What are you selling, baby? They're making Daddy breakfast? Whose breakfast are you cooking? Daddy's. Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh. What's in the way? You gotta look inside. Is there something blocking the door? You gotta move that and that. Okay. There you go. Oh, ice cream, baby. Yummy. That's a good breakfast. Did you make it yourself? Yeah. Thank you. You gonna eat that? What is that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.